So he produced this transformer. So everybody is seeing it. As you can see, there is light. Such a great talent. Wow, why don't we empower this young man? This young man needs empowerment. We have a lot. We can get a lot from them. Just look at everywhere. He did this. What I'm about to do now, you can tell us your name. Good morning. What is your name?
My name is Solomon.
Okay, so where are you from?
At Abia State.
Which part in Abia State?
In our local government.
Can you imagine? He is from Abia State. I think the governor of Abia State needs to see this. He is the son of Abia State. Look at what he produced. Which side in Ohafia?
From my making.
Okay. So how did you manage to do this?
I do it for the spirit of God. God gave me the spirit.
Inspiration. Wow. Can you imagine that God gave him the inspiration to do this? God is so wonderful. Okay, can you please tell me how you managed to do this? What are the things? What is generating this light?
What I used to generate is crude oil.
Come and show me, please. Come and show me.
I used crude oil.
He said that he used crude oil to generate this light. Oh my God! And we are suffering from NEPA. NEPA cannot even give us light. Can you see the crude oil? Crude oil in the Inyoku. He used crude oil in generating this light. Oh my God! This is amazing. This is amazing. Can you please put on the light back? Please. Whoever that is watching this video right now, please, I need you to share this video. We want the federal government of Nigeria. We want the governor of Abia State to help this young man. How old are you, sir?
I'm 24 years.
He is 24 years with such a great talent. 24 years. Men, look at 24 years. Come and see the meter is reading. Oh my God. See the meter is reading. Can you see it? Can you see it? He said that that Holy Spirit gave him the inspiration. God gave him the inspiration. This young man needs our support. If we'll be able to send this guy out of this country, maybe to any country he don't even need to go to any country. He can do this. And while we are suffering from power failure, NEPA has failed. Let us empower this young man. We have a lot of them. Please, whoever that is watching this video right now, oh my God.
Wonderful.
This is wonderful. God of mercy. Can you see that fan is going on? Fan is going on.
This can power.
You see, according to him, he said that this can power a building. He also said he said that he can produce the one that will power the whole federal government of Nigeria, Abia State. Can you see? This is wonderful. This is wonderful. This one is. You see? Oh my God. Please, if you're watching this video right now, please share this video. We need to support this young man. Seriously, we need to support him. He needs our support. Please share this video so that you see. Can you see the phone is woo? Can you see the phone is charging? Oh my God. With crude oil, why we are paying for NEPA? NEPA is not bringing light. Can you see our phone on the charge? The phone is charging. Phone on the charge. Oh, he won't cry after. He is Oshilabia State. Also la Okwa. Lengi Nyokungi. He power the whole Abia State. And we are suffering from power failure here. This is something we can do. Please, wherever you are right now, sharing this video, please. You're watching this video, please share this video. This young man needs your support. Please, what do you want the federal government or Abia State to do for you?
What I need in school, I need training, 5 years training or 4 years training, for education. That I'll be to build a power station.
Okay.
That will generate light in this Abia State.
Okay, so now you mean that this whole transformer can generate light for a building?
Yes, can generate light for a building.
Okay, if you are empowered, you mean that we will stop having power failure in other states?
Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate.
Thank you,
I will have to get your phone number. Tell me your name. You said your name is what?
My name is Solomon Okoha.
Okay, Solomon Okoha. Please, I'm reporting live from Fun Paradise TV. So we need to support this young man. He built this with his own intelligence. He built it. He said that the Holy Spirit gave him inspiration to do this. Wherever you are, share this video. I'm reporting from Osiamangwa local government. He came to Osiamangwa local government to show us his great talents, and we all are supporting him. Please, we want the governor to see this. I want the governor of Abia State. This young man needs support. He said that if you can train him for 3 or 4 years to any of the countries, that he can build lights that will power the whole Federation of Nigeria. And while we are, please, this is 3 line. This is wonderful. Please, we need to support this young man. This is amazing. Thank you very much. In case you want to get to him, I will drop his phone number and his name and address below so that you can be able to reach this young man right now. Thank you very much.